June the 16th. This is the final step of my drone brood mite control method, adapted from the Dutch and the Germans. And the colony has sealed these drones. And that was a drone comb that was put in there on the 6th of June, 10 days ago. Additionally, the colony also made a queen from a local cell. We've got decent eggs and larvae in here. As you can tell, it's super calm, which is nice. But of course that reflects the temperament of the donor colony, not necessarily the temperament of the workers that will come out of here. So it's working pretty well there. So what this whole system hinges on is that the drones were put in at a time, the drone larvae at a time just before the worker larvae of the new queen were attractive to the mites. And so the final stage will be for me to get the bees off here carefully, because I haven't seen the queen. I know she's in here, but she's a hider, and so I'm not going to spend any more time looking for her. I'm just going to shake the bees off the drone comb and replace it with an undrawn comb. Incidentally, I found that a tip from Kelly from Marathon County was, rather than actually roll wax on, which can melted wax, which to give these extra wax, which can result in too much wax and they make weird looking cells, it's just as easy to take a piece of wax and rub it on. And so contracted with my kids to do that. So that's that. So then, of course, if I was managing this colony for honey, what I would have done would have been to put an excluder on here and supers, but I'm not. I'm managing it for drawn deep combs for my nuke enterprise. So that requires a little more messing around so that the brood nest doesn't get congested, and the bees don't think that they should swarm, because that of course is always the risk when you get a glut of nectar coming in the Midwest at this time of year. Anyway, so that's the final step. The follow-up step will be later on to actually come back and do mite counts on both the colony that was made as a split, to confirm that the emerging workers are relatively mite-free, and of course also as a follow-up on the parent colony over here to ensure that that's still behaving. Okie dokie.